good countertop. I like that.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So since it's been ridiculously hot here in Florida, we haven't been able to do a lot of sawmilling, but today it's kind of overcast and it's feeling pretty good outside, so we're gonna cut our first pine log on the sawmill. So this pine log is 14 feet long. It's got a lot of like limbs and knots sticking off of it, so we're gonna trim those down with the chainsaw, and then once we get a nice pretty much round log, we're going to turn this log into maybe some 4x4s and a couple 1x6s. So we're super excited because this morning we actually found one of the nicest guys I've ever met. He actually lives pretty close to us, and he's got 4 acres full of pine trees and cedar trees, and he basically is giving us every single one of them. So as much pine trees and cedar trees as we want, we're welcome to take, and in exchange we're going to do some sawmilling for him and make him some like posts so he can build a fence. We're really looking forward to chopping down some pine trees and some cedar trees over there and getting them up on the mill to see what we can make out of them. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start working on this log with the chainsaw. We're gonna get it up on the mill and we're gonna turn it into some boards. Let's go. All right, so we got all those limbs and knots chopped off. Got it pretty circular. We're gonna go ahead and put it up on the mill. Is this junk or?
Yeah, it's junk. It's kind of cool. Punch the hole.
Yeah. Good. Scraper. Scraper.
Look at that. That'll be a good countertop. I like that. Character. And then we can make 2 more slabs.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good, just let it.
What we gotta do? Flip it?
Bring the tractor closer and we'll put it on.
Flipping?
Can you slide your side?
Up?
Slide your side to it. There you go.
See a long bench. That's cool. Even comes with moss.
Originally, we wanted to make some 1x6s and some 4x4s out of this pine log, but when we got into it, we ended up making some really nice slabs. So we got basically 3 real nice like bench or countertop slabs out of this pine log. I'd say this middle piece here is definitely the nicest. on both sides of this log. There's super nice grain, and I have a feeling it's gonna turn into a really nice bench on the side of our cabin. All right, we're gonna get these slabs off the mill. We're gonna go put them over there to dry out and band them up. We're also gonna throw some Anchor Seal 2 on them so that way it seals up the end grains and it prevents checking. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As this weather stops being 109 heat index, we're gonna start making some more really cool videos.
There you go.
We didn't center it very well. Good job.
I don't think they'll fit.
Well, we have to come around. Huh? Oh, you gonna flip it?
Yeah.
I'm coming. I'm gonna drop it.
You were lifted so high, it was pitch my face. Yeah, that's perfect.
That's a beast.
Cool. So this is the middle slab, and it actually is really nice. Look how good that looks. All the green.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
That's gonna be a really nice bench. All right, last one.
Conversation piece.
All right, guys, so this video was sponsored by Anchor Seal. Actually, I'm just kidding. Anchor Seal, if you're watching this video, we would love to partner with you guys. For those of you watching, if you don't know, Anchor Seal is an end grain sealer. So for example, these slabs here have Anchor Seal on them, and as you can see, there's very minimal checking. Like, these slabs are in perfect condition. Well, if you look over at these slabs were not sealed with Anchor Seal, and you can see they're getting some really bad checking at the ends of the boards. So if you guys want to stop your boards from checking, I would highly recommend you jump on Amazon or any of these wood companies' sites and you get you some Anchor Seal 2 end grain sealer. This stuff works awesome. Good job. We have our logs all banded together so they stay perfectly straight and try and prevent as much warping as possible. The end grains are sealed with Anchor Seal 2. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one.